Hello and welcome back to Enobat Smart Tech, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Ninja VPN to protect your internet connection and browse safely online. And if you often use public Wi-Fi or you want to keep your data private, this guide is for you. Ninja VPN is an app that helps you secure your internet connection, and it creates a private and encrypted link between your device and the internet, making it harder for hackers or third parties to see your online activity. And this will help you browse safely and protect your personal information. Step number 1. First, open your Google Play Store or App Store. And after opening your Google Play Store, you'll be required to search for Ninja VPN. And after searching for Ninja VPN, you'll be required to install the app in your device. And after installing the app in your device, you'll be required to open the app. And after opening the app, you'll be required to select a server location. For faster speed, choose the server close to your location. For more privacy, you can select the server from another country. And after choosing it, connect again if needed. But for now, I'm going to include auto connect. Once connected, you should see a connected status on the app. To confirm, open your browser and check if your IP address has changed. And if it has changed, your VPN is working properly. Using Ninja VPN is a simple way to stay safe online. With just a few steps, you can protect your data and browse with confidence. And this is Enobat Smart Tech, helping you stay smart, safe, and connected in the digital world. Please don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.